Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix blurry photos in Photoshop. So it's quite easy. Like if you look at my photo, the photo is a bit blurry and there's a solution which you can use in order to fix this. And the trick goes like, firstly we need to select the image. Just drag and drop this image to this little plus icon in order to create the copy of the image. Once you create the copy, select the copied image, go to image tab, then hover over to adjustments, and just right here at the bottom you have the option desaturate. You will only get this option only if your image is rasterize. If your image is smart object, you need to convert that into rasterize, and then only you will get the option to. So select the option desaturate. Once you do that, go to filter, go to other, and choose the option high pass, and you need to set this to something around 3. Then just click on OK, then expand this and set this on linear light. Here it is. And now if we zoom the image, you can see that it is getting fixed. Like this was the before and this is after. If you want to make it more clear, in that case you again need to select this layer and just drag and drop this on this one. Now they'll create the copy and now you can see the difference. If you want to make it more clear, again repeat the same process just like this. And yeah, that's it. This is the trick which you can use to fix your blurry photos. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.